Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to our math class. So today we are going to discuss some basic definitions in rings of homomorphism. So what are they? So here we are going to know about the definitions homomorphism and homomorphic image of a ring R. What is epimorphism or onto homomorphism? And what is a isomorphism and what is kernel of a ring homomorphism. So first we'll look at the basic definition. What is ring homomorphism or homomorphism of a ring? So here any function f which is mapping from R to R dash, it is said to be a homomorphism when these conditions are satisfied. Okay, so here R dash are two rings, and where the mapping is defined as f of a plus b is equal to f of a plus f of b with respect to addition. This is for with respect to multiplication. F of a into b is equal to f of a into f of b, where a comma b or belongs to R. So here the elements which are presented in set R are called domain elements. Elements which are in R dash are called codomain elements or range of R. So here we'll see what is homomorphic image of a ring R. So here as we said, R is a domain, R dash is a codomain. So here R dash is called the homomorphic image of R. R dash is called the image of R. So where f of R, that is f of R which is equal to R bar or R dash, it is called an homomorphic image of the ring R. So here it is a set of all the elements which are presented in R dash. It is a set of all the elements which are presented in the set R dash. So this set is called homomorphic image of R. Okay. So here next, what is epimorphism, which is also called as onto homomorphism. Which is also called as onto homomorphism. See here. Here also we are taking a function f, a mapping which is defined from R to R dash, where R dash are two rings. So this mapping is said to be onto homomorphism, okay, when it satisfies this condition. What is this condition? See here. For any element which belongs to R dash, there must exist an element x in R such that f of x is equal to y. So then we can say the mapping which is defined between these two sets is called onto mapping. Okay, onto homomorphism. Okay, so that means for every element in codomain there must be a pre-image in domain. What does it mean? F of x is equal to y where x belongs to R. That means what? For every element of R dash there must be a element in R. Okay, in such a way that, so what is the relation between x and y? F of x must equal to y. So this condition will gives you onto condition. Okay, this is about onto homomorphism, which is also symbolically represented as R is epimorphic to R dash or R is onto homomorphism to R dash. So this is also written like this. Next, isomorphism. When we say a mapping f from R to R dash is called isomorphism when this function satisfies these conditions. What are the conditions? F, the function must be 1 to 1 and it must be onto, and it is also a homomorphism. Then the given function is called isomorphic function, or the set R is isomorphic to R dash. Okay, so here we have seen what is homomorphism. When we say a function is homomorphic function when it satisfies these conditions, and when we say a function is 1 to 1, this is the condition for 1 to 1, and where f of x is equal to f of y, that gives x is equal to y. So when we say a function is onto, yes, just now we have seen for every codomain element there must be a pre-image. For every element of R dash there must exist a pre-image in R. So which states this condition. Okay, so a set R is said to be isomorphic to R dash when it satisfies these conditions. Okay, it must be a homomorphism and one to one and on to. And next, coming to kernel of homomorphism. How to find a kernel of homomorphism? See here, f is a function which is mapping R to R dash. Okay, it must be a homomorphism where R dash are two rings. Next, kernel of f. So this is a set where the elements x belongs to R means whose range maps to 0 dash, that is identity. So kernel f is a set, so set of elements whose images are, whose range is mapping to 0 dash, that is identity in R dash. 0 dash is nothing but identity in the set R dash. Okay, so kernel f is equal to, that is also written as k is equal to x belongs to R such that f of x is equal to 0 dash. So it is a set of elements which are presented in R whose image is 0 dash, whose image is mapping to identity in R dash. Okay, those elements only presented in K. Okay, where 0 dash is called 0 element. So this K is defined like this. So for example, you can see here in set R we have taken x1, x2, x3, but x1, x2 only mapping to 0 dash in R dash. So these two elements only belongs to kernel f because x1 image is f of x1, so that is equal to 0 dash, and x2 image is f of x2 whose range is 0 dash, means x2 mapping to 0 dash, x1 also mapping to 0 dash. That's why x1, x2 belongs to kernel f.